Hi, I'm Ryan with Tommy Car Wash Systems. Our company manufactures, produces stainless steel tunnel car wash equipment. So what you see behind me right here is a full conveyorized tunnel line. This is about 40 meters long. This is one of our corporate owned facilities in U.S.A, Michigan. We can wash at this facility as many as 200 cars per hour and fully automated from beginning to end. So about 3 people will operate the facility, but the vehicle is washed completely automated from beginning to end, including the drying with equipment. This over here is our facility design. This is the Tommy's Express franchise program. It's an express car wash model where the customer stays in the car. They pay also on a phone app system where they have a monthly recurring membership to wash unlimited. They wash, again, at 200 cars per hour speed, so they're only in the car wash for about 3 minutes, and they leave, exterior wash. We also have over here, for some markets where interior cleaning is required, we have an option where they go through the car wash, then they get out and they go through an interior cleaning center. So we're building one of these right now in Saudi Arabia, and we have systems like this also in Kuwait. So we have some of this already in the Middle East, but the market opportunity is huge. We also convert from in-bay automatic and rollover style car washes to conveyorized tunnel systems like this, and we can increase them from what they're currently 10 cars per hour. We can get them up to 40 cars per hour by conveyorizing that tunnel wash system and give a better customer experience. So come check us out, TommyCarWash.com. Again, my name's Ryan. Thanks.